Hello kids. Today we are going to see lesson 2, 5th class, Karate Kitten. Reading Karate Kitten. When Rohit was 9, his family lived in a small town. His father Raja Rao was a clerk in Rao and Rao Company. Janaki, Rohit's mother, was a homemaker. She used to be alone in the daytime when Rohit was at school and Raja Rao in his office. She wanted to have a pet. She asked Rohit's father several times for a pet. Rohit also supported his mother. Many days passed, but Raja Rao did not bring home any pet. Janaki said to herself, I should get a pet on my own. One morning, Janaki and Rohit went to a pet shop on Mahatma Gandhi Road near the clock tower. The pleasant shopkeeper welcomed them. Janaki explained her problem to the shopkeeper. The young shopkeeper advised Janaki to buy a kitten. Why a kitten? Because it's special. What is special about the kitten? Janaki asked. It's a karate kitten, trained in Japan, madam. It's the only karate kitten in India. What does it do? Rohit asked curiously. Karate, said the shopkeeper. It will give you a lot of entertainment. Karate? Rohit and his mother shouted at once. The shopkeeper placed an old chair in the middle of the shop. Then he brought a little kitten. It was white and cute. When he said, Kitten, karate, chair, the kitten jumped onto the chair with vigor. In a matter of seconds, the kitten broke the chair into pieces. Wow! Rohit jumped with joy. What a wonderful kitten! Janaki paid for the kitten. Rohit and his mother left for their house. When they reached home, they made Karate Kitten smash old boxes, crockery, and other useless articles. Rohit was very excited and waiting for his father. He was curious to tell him about the Karate Kitten. Rohit was happy and started singing a song. Karate Kitten jumps here and there, beating things every way. Karate Kitten pounces here and there, kicking things everywhere. Karate Kitten hops here and there, crushing things every way. Karate Kitten stamps here and there, smashing things every way. When Raja Rao came home in the evening, Rohit and Janaki was playing with the Karate Kitten. The hall was filled with broken wood pieces and crockery. He was annoyed and shouted, What's going on here? Karate practice, Daddy, said Rohit. Karate practice? Who is that karate master? Janaki showed the little kitten to her husband. We bought this karate kitten this morning. It's our pet now, Rohit said proudly. Karate Kitten? Raja Rao screamed in anger and disbelief. Yes, dear, it's our new pet, Janaki said softly. Kitten? Karate my head, Raja Rao shouted. When the Karate Kitten heard this, it attacked Raja Rao's head. Oh, my head! He put his hand on his bald head. Janaki and Rohit burst into laughter. Meanings: pleasant, enjoyable, pleasing or attractive. Entertain, the act of entertaining. Curious, eager, ready and willing to know. Vigor, energy or physical strength of force. Crockery, plates, cups, dishes. Excited, felt happy, thrilled. Feat, an action that needs skill, strength, or courage. Pounces, moves suddenly forwards to attack or catch. Stamps, brings the foot down forcefully. Annoyed, made somebody angry. Thank you.